Praise be to Jesus. Half of charges against Cardinal Pell dropped, but he still faces 2 sex abuse trials. Australian Cardinal George Pell faces 2 trials within months on charges of alleged past sexual abuse after a magistrate ruled earlier this week there was sufficient evidence against him, the Irish Times has reported. Melbourne Magistrate Belinda Wallington threw out half the charges against Pell, including the most serious, but concluded after a month-long preliminary hearing the 76-year-old cardinal should be tried by jury on multiple charges. The most senior Catholic cleric to face trial on such allegations, Pell has been on leave from his post as Vatican treasurer since being charged last June. Well, there's quite a bit more to the article. If you care to read it, I'll leave the link in the description box.